Jack. Enjoying a little rolling around in the sunshine. A little sun on your tummy. Look at you. Such a handsome man. Such a handsome cat. Oh, do your sit-ups. There you go. A little exercising. Good idea. Another yoga move, perhaps. There we go. Oh, enjoy those stretches. Such a handsome fellow. The morning cat routine. Enjoy, Jack. You look so handsome sitting in the shadows. Such a handsome cat.